Good morning, guys. This is me. Welcome back. It's literally 5 in the morning. Got a 2-day trip. First leg, I don't know, Denver, Chicago, Denver to Sacramento, California. Of course, I'm running late, but not really bad late. I will catch you guys at the gate. Yes, got my hair curls bouncing, kind of. Yeah, I need to get my hair done, but I'll do it when I get home. Later. Hey guys, I'm having a little fiasco. Coffee spilled everywhere. Woo! Bag fell. Okay. Yeah, just trying to get to the gate and almost get hit by a bus. See it? Yeah, that almost hit me. My bag fell in the middle of the street. Coffee all over me. But it's gonna be a good day today. 3 legs, 3 trips, and I'm going to Sacramento, California. Hopefully it's warm. Oh, airport. Check you guys at the gate. Doing good with time, but it's 5:55 and I'm supposed to be at the gate, and I'm at B33 and I need to be at 26, which isn't too far. Oh, now it's 5:56. Okay, I was just walking slow and being a lollygag. What is wrong with me? Guess it was all good. I'm on the jet bridge. Hey guys, so during boarding, this passenger is asking me he's like, can I get vodka something? And I'm like, a vodka what? A vodka tonic? And I'm like, well, we haven't set up our carts and stuff. We're, trying to make sure the plane leaves on time. So, when we're up in the air, I'll be sure to get it to you. He's like, I don't take kindly to no's. I was like, well, I didn't say no. So then I walked away. He's like harassing me. Like every time I passed him, hello, where's my vodka? So anyway, we get in the air and I give him his vodka. He's like, oh, I'm so sorry for being a jerk. And then he wants 3 of them. Keeps harassing me for them. Well, not harassing me, but just being obnoxious about it. He's like, I'm scared to ask you for any more. And I'm like, well, we're landing in 20 minutes, so this is your last one. I normally cut people off at 3. And so when I give him his last one, he's watching porn. I was like, oh. Anyway, almost to Chicago, so, oh, another mirror. Hey. So, so weird. So I'm almost to Chicago, and I'll catch you later. Hey, so I'm in Chicago, and it's super hard to find a bathroom because most of the pipes are frozen and there's no water. So I finally found one to pee in, but yeah, that was an adventure. Anyway, going back to Denver, so I have some of my crew. I mean, my roommate is deadheading, which means she's like a passenger on the flight that I'm working, and then my other friend is deadheading. So it's gonna be fun. Yeah, I got 2 more legs. 1 leg to Denver and then another leg to Sacramento, and I lay over for 13 hours. Hopefully it's nice and warm in Sacramento, but by the time I get there, it's gonna be like 5-ish. So I'm just gonna grab dinner, and I don't know. Crew is nice, a little older, but you know, nothing wrong with that. It's actually pretty sunny here in Chicago. It's 7 degrees, so I just missed the vortex, which is cool because in Colorado it's 60 degrees, which is really weird. Anyway, maybe the warm weather will trickle down. Sun is shining. Alright, well, I'll check you guys later, maybe when I get to Denver or Sacramento, because I don't really have much sit time in Denver, so I'll check you guys in Sacramento. Bye. Hey. So, made it to Denver. I'm so exhausted. Really tired. 1 more leg to Sacramento. I can't be waking up this early. Alright. Later. Hey guys, I just got to Sacramento, to the hotel. Looking super oily. Gosh. Anywho, flight went pretty chill. I saw some people I knew. Let's see. On my flight from Chicago to Denver, I had my roommate on there, and then my good buddy Val. And we were just chit-chatting. It didn't feel like I was working. It didn't feel like a work day, but it was nice. And then the flight from Denver to Sacramento went smooth too. It was only 2 hours. And everything went smooth today. No delays. Got to the hotel. The only delay was the traffic, like getting the traffic. I guess we landed at rush hour, so the traffic from the airport to downtown Sacramento was, yeah. It was intense. Anywho, I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. So this is the door. And a mirror. Still have my coat on. And the bathroom. I kind of like this green. Green is kind of cute. That's me. Yeah, I mean, I always love these type of mirrors when it's like magnifying. And this is the desk area, the bed. Not much going on. I've been here many times. I love this seat right here. And then the view. This is the view of downtown. Super busy. It's Friday night. Yep, pretty busy. I've stayed here many times, but I never had this kind of view. I'm normally like a view of a building. So that's pretty much it. TV. There's no fridge in here. Well, I didn't make anything or have anything. Got my little coffee. Yep, no fridge in here. big bed. Looks like it's kind of far from the TV. Anyway, so I guess I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Maybe something eventful will happen. I doubt it. But I was gonna go find food, so I'm gonna charge my phone and try to explore. It's raining, but it's like drizzly, and my hair's dry, so I need some moisture. See you later. So I'm doing this 6-minute walk in the rain with no umbrella. Ugh. To P.F. Chang's because I like P.F. Chang's and it's really hard to find. And I do have an umbrella. I'm just too lazy to go search for it in my suitcase. So yeah, if I get sick, you know why. I'll give you a little view of what I see. I'm wet, but I can smell it. I can smell P.F. Chang's. It smells so good. The vegetarian life. Got veggie fried rice and a Moscow meal. It's pretty good.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Our hotel response team is investigating the alarm. We will inform you when all the hotel's operation and services are resumed to normal.
Hey guys, so I made it on the plane, one more leg from Sacramento to Denver. And did you hear the alarm this morning, like waking me up? I got a little nervous. There was like fire department outside. I don't know what's going on. I think someone from the outside pulled the emergency, the fire alarm, but I don't know. And then last night I had P.F. Chang's, which was good. I tried to sit by the bar, but there were so many couples. I'm commuting home today, so I'll be in New York for a week. I got like 8 days off. This schedule is gonna be really good this month. They're always like, who are you talking to? Just talking to myself. Bye. Oh, forgot to tell you guys. I broke a nail. And then broke another nail. I have plans this weekend. It's Super Bowl weekend. You can't be rolling up with broken nails. Anyway. Later. So I'm done with my trip, heading home to New York. Have about 6 days off. Woohoo! Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment.